Is your kitchen starting to feel more like a chore than a happy place? Do you ever just stare into the fridge, completely exhausted by the idea of chopping and dicing, only to face a mountain of pans later? You're not alone. The daily grind of making nutritious meals can get overwhelming, especially when your energy is low and recipes feel like they're written in another language. But what if the key to feeling vibrant and strong wasn't in complicated, fussy meals, but in simple, delicious food that's ready in minutes? Stick with me, because we're about to bring joy back into your kitchen and put a spring in your step, one easy, nourishing bite at a time. Welcome. If you're tired of the battle between wanting to eat well and the sheer effort it often takes, you're in the right spot. As we get older, our nutritional needs change, but our love for delicious food definitely doesn't. Our bodies might need fewer calories, but they demand more high-quality nutrients than ever. More protein to keep muscles strong, more fiber for good digestion, and vitamins to keep everything running smoothly. But there's a problem. The world is full of gourmet cooking shows and complex recipes that just aren't built for real life. They don't consider the days when your joints ache, when chewing is a bit of a challenge, or when you simply don't have the stamina for all that. So today, we're doing things differently. We're tossing out the complicated rulebook and getting back to what really matters: nutrient-dense, easy-to-make meals. In this video, I'm going to share 3 core recipes, one for breakfast, one for lunch, and one for dinner. These aren't just recipes, they're templates for a fresh way of thinking about food. They're quick, need little to no cooking, and most importantly, they're soft and easy to eat. We'll talk about how to keep your muscles strong, your mind sharp, and your energy steady. Forget the stress and the cleanup. It's time to bring simplicity and joy back to your plate. You can absolutely have both health and peace of mind. Let's get started. Let's start with the most important meal of the day: breakfast. 0 cooking required. That's where overnight oats come in. This is a creamy meal that works for you while you sleep. The oats absorb the liquid and soften into a perfect pudding-like texture that's super easy to chew. The star is rolled oats. Use half a cup. They soften without turning into total mush. Oats have beta-glucan, a fiber superhero that helps lower bad LDL cholesterol and protects your heart. This fiber also helps keep blood sugar levels stable, preventing the sharp crashes that leave you tired. Next, equal parts liquid, half a cup. Cow's milk gives you a great boost of calcium and vitamin D. Plant-based options like almond or soy milk work too, just ensure they are fortified. Now for Greek yogurt. This is a muscle-preserving powerhouse because it's loaded with protein. As we age, we face sarcopenia, the loss of muscle mass. Your best defense is more protein. Add half a cup of berries. Blueberries and raspberries are famous for their antioxidants. These protect your cells and support memory. Studies suggest they slow cognitive decline. Finally, almonds or walnuts for healthy fat. They add a soft crunch and brain-boosting omega-3. Grab a jar, add oats, milk, yogurt, berries, and nuts. Stir it all together until combined. Pop the lid on and place it in the fridge overnight. Breakfast is served when you wake up. Lunch should be quick and nourishing. Our 5-minute hummus and veggie wrap is the ultimate solution. Use a 100% whole grain tortilla. It's packed with fiber for digestive health and easier to chew. Spread 2 to 3 tablespoons of hummus. It's a superfood rich in protein, magnesium, and potassium. Use pre-cut veggies like shredded carrots and baby spinach. These shortcuts save your hand strength. Bell peppers add vitamin C for immunity, and cucumbers add hydration. Pack them in. Spread hummus, layer veggies, fold the edges, and roll. A balanced, satisfying lunch in minutes. For dinner, we minimize effort and clean up. This 1-pan salmon is a game changer. Salmon is the best protein for brain health. Its omega-3s improve memory and focus. Arrange broccoli and cherry tomatoes around the fish. Broccoli is packed with vitamin C and fiber. Bake at 400 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes. 1 pan, 1 healthy meal, almost no cleanup. Every meal is a chance to invest in your future health. Thanks for joining me today. Eat well, be well.